What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Kucoin token, also known as KCS, which has pumped up 35% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at $13.56. And as you guys can see, over the last few days it has been gaining a decent amount of value yesterday and today as well. So we're going to be looking at why is it pumping so much, where is it heading to next, can it hit $15-20 over the coming hours, days, and for the rest of the year what my expectations are, and also going into 2024, is this must-have crypto in your wallet. As you guys can see, since about early November it has gained an insane amount of value. So let's have a look here on the monthly chart. It has gained over 120%, so essentially covering short-term and long-term investors, and also looking at its prediction going into 2024. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. And as you guys can see, this is a crucial point for Kucoin token as we are hitting its resistance target, but we'll get into that later on in the video. For now, let's bring on the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart. This gives us the average value of Kucoin, which is here in purple at $9.20. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in red at $13.57, meaning it's performing very well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we can see that the blue and the orange line are both slanting towards the negative direction. They're not looking too steep, but they are just about going in a negative direction, looking quite bearish, meaning very minimal drops in value are expected from Kucoin token over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, an overall minimal drop in value is what is expected. However, that doesn't mean that it's going to stop pumping right now. It is likely to pump up to about $14, above $14 over the next couple of hours, before it slowly starts to drop back down just above $13 by the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. So it's going to be quite like a wave up, and then towards the end of the day today dropping back down above $13 is what I'm expecting. But again, the drop is going to be very minimal. It's not like it's going to be a major crash or anything like that. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we've got both the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and they're not looking too steep either, meaning this is quite realistic. So over the next 7 to 8 days, by the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting Kucoin token to be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment, potentially heading past $15, $16 is what I'm expecting by the end of the week. However, that does not mean that it's going to be consistently hitting green candles for the next 7-8 days. It is likely to hit red candles in between, red days, where it's likely to take the odd dip here and there in between. But at the moment, the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. So heading to around above $15 is what I'm expecting by the end of this week and early next week as well. But again, if there are any major changes to that, that can have a potential impact either in a positive or negative direction. I will of course let you guys know as soon as possible on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, now we're looking a little bit more skeptical. We've got the blue and the orange line looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction. Only reason it's looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last couple of days. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace as well. However, that is not the case. The crypto is overvalued right now in my opinion. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so January, February 2024, I'm expecting the crypto to have dropped back down below $10 is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. However, in between that time, it is likely to hit about $20 over the coming 3 to 4 weeks before it slowly starts to drop back down early next year below $10. So again, it is going to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome over the next approximately 2.5 months seems to be more on the negative side. Dropping below $10 is what my expectations are at the moment. But again, if this changes, I will of course let you guys know. So bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we broke out from the red zone. Let's have a look on the 2nd of December or 3rd of December, headed into the green zone and broke out from the green zone on the 11th of December, which was yesterday. And right now we are about to break out from the dark green zone here, heading into the blue zone, which I did expect to do earlier on in the video, heading to about $15-16 towards the end of this week, early next week. But once it hits that target and manages to hit the top tier level here, what's likely to take place after that early next year is for the crypto to slowly start to drop back down into the green zone here and potentially back down here into the red zone in February, March next year. And then once it hits that target, it should essentially start to pump back up in value. It is crypto, guys. It is a very volatile market. The fact that I'm expecting Bitcoin to be also heading up to about $46,000 in Q1 of 2024 should have a positive impact on the crypto market as well. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 250% in the last 24 hours, making it $20 million in trading, which is again a huge percentage increase in trading, as it's gained a lot of value. A lot more people are looking into the project, a lot more people are starting to buy it, as well as starting to sell the profits as well, meaning it's getting a lot of traction in the crypto market right now. So can Kucoin hit $100 or even $50? Let's keep it as $50. It is not too far off from hitting $50. However, I'm not expecting it to hit that target at the moment. Potentially second half of next year is when I'm expecting Kucoin to be heading anywhere close to the $50 mark, because we're going to have to give it enough time. Yes, it is a sustainable project, meaning it is going to have to go up in value at a slow and steady pace. And when I'm expecting that is second half of 2024, Kucoin should essentially be able to hit the $50 mark. But again, this depends on how the crypto market performs with any major crashes, pumps and bull runs and anything like that. It will have a potential impact on it. So let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting this crypto to hit $50? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.